Hi, this is Tutor and this is Word Origins 550. Word origin today is Lego. Okay, if someone wants a screenshot right now, let's go right to it. Lego the word and company originated in Denmark and was created by a carpenter named Kirk Christiansen in his workshop. He actually started with wooden toys. Because there was a reduced demand for wood during the Depression, he started to make miniature versions of his products, and this inspired him to make toys. Let's continue. After World War I, plastics became available in Denmark, and he bought the plastic injection molding machine in 1941, and this led to the creation of Legos. The term Lego originally came from a contraction, when you put two words together, of the Danish phrase leg godt, which meant play well. They soon also found out in Latin, Lego loosely translated meant I put together or I assemble, and the name was solidified. It was perfect for what they were doing. All right, we got 5 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. Lego began producing the automatic brick or Lego in 1949, which was still mostly wooden at that time. Number 2, in 1960, a warehouse fire destroyed most of the Lego wooden toy inventory. After this, he decided to go with plastic. Number 3, in 1988, the Lego minifigure was introduced. The small Lego people had posable arms and legs, they could move. Number 4, in 1999, Lego producers started featuring licensed intellectual property such as Lego Star Wars, Winnie the Pooh, etc., and many, many more after that. Number 5, in 2014, Warner Brothers and the Lego Group released the Lego Movie, which surprisingly didn't do bad at all. Did pretty well. Anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.